Palmer's ground, Latin 5719, ready to taxi. Latin 5719, taxi to runway 03, left.
Palmer's clearance. Good evening, China 75853, ready for pushback at Papa 14. China 75853, cleared for pushback.
Palmas Tower. Good evening. Sky 8828 is on approach. Sky 8828 cleared to land runway 0.
Palmer's ground, China 75853, ready to taxi. China 75853, taxi to runway 03 left. Gulf Air 5206, request to cross runway.
Atlas Air 2054 cleared to land runway 03 right.
Gulf Air 5206, continue taxi. Palmer's ground, Gulf Air 5206 with you. Gulf Air 5206, requesting taxi to the gates. Gulf Air 5206, taxi to gate Papa 16.
Palmer's clearance. Good evening. Dynasty 2237, ready for pushback at Tango 15. Dynasty 2237, cleared for pushback.
Palmer's Tower, Latam 5719, ready for takeoff runway 03, left. Latam 5719, line up and wait runway 03, left.
Dynasty 2237, taxi to runway 03 left.
Latam 5719, cleared for takeoff runway 03, left.
Sky 8828, continue taxi.
Palmer's clearance, good evening, Swiss 4501, ready for pushback at Tango 05. Swiss 4501, cleared for pushback.
Palmas ground, Sky 8828, with you. Sky 8828, taxi to gate, Papa 14.
Palmas ground, Swiss 4501, ready to taxi. Swiss 4501, taxi to runway 03, left.
Palmas Tower, good evening. Iroquois 6570 is on approach. Iroquois 6570, clear to land runway 03, right.
Atlas Air 2054, requested cross runway. Atlas Air 2054, continue taxi. Palmas ground, Atlas Air 2054, with you. Atlas Air 2054, taxi to gate, Tango 15.
Palmer's Tower, China 75853, ready for takeoff runway 03, left. China 75853, cleared for takeoff runway 03, left.
Palmas clearance. Good evening. Air Transat 9er 33. Ready for pushback at Tango 02.
Palmas Tower, Dynasty 2237, ready for takeoff runway 03 left. Dynasty 2237, cleared for takeoff runway 03 left.
Aeroflight 53, to land runway 03 right.
Air Transat 9er 33. Cleared for pushback.
Atlas Air 2054, hold position. Atlas Air 2054, continue taxi.
Palmas ground. Air Transat 9er 33. Ready to taxi.
Palmas clearance. Good evening. Yellow cab 5267, ready for pushback at Tango 04.
Etihad 5816 cleared to land runway 03 right.
I repeat 6570 continue taxi.
Air Transat 9er 33 taxi to runway 03 left.
Yellow cab 5267 cleared for pushback. Palmas ground I repeat 6570 with you. I repeat 6570 requesting taxi to the gates. Palmas ground yellow cab 5267 ready to taxi. I repeat 6570 taxi to gate Tango 05.
Swiss 4501 cleared for takeoff runway 03 left.
Yellow cab 5267 taxi to runway 03 left.
Palmas clearance, good evening. Allow 5703. Ready for pushback at Tango 03. Allow 5703 cleared for pushback.
Aeroflight 5334, request to cross runway. Aeroflight 5334, continue taxi. Palmas ground, Aeroflight 5334, with you.
Palmas ground. Allow 5703 ready to taxi.
Aeroflight 5334, requesting taxi to the gates.
Allow 5703 taxi to runway 03 left.
Southwest 86. 902, cleared to land runway 03 right.
Etihad 5816 request to cross runway. Etihad 5816 continue taxi. Palmas ground Etihad 5816 with you.
Palmas Tower, good evening. China Southern 4422 is on approach. China Southern 4422 cleared to land runway 03 right.
Cargo X 9er633 cleared for pushback.
Aeroflight 5334, taxi to gate Tango 02.